Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to buy Bitcoin on Trust Wallet in 2025. For that, you will have to launch your Trust Wallet mobile application, and over here on the home page, you will be able to see this buy option. So you can either tap on the buy option, and from this list, you can just simply tap on Bitcoin. Or in the second step, what you can do is you can simply just scroll down, and here in the cryptos list, you will be able to find BTC. So you need to tap on BTC first, and then you need to tap on buy. Now once you do this, you will be landed on this page where you need to just enter the amount of USD that you want to spend in order to purchase BTC, and then it will show you the equivalent amount of BTC that you will receive. Once done, in the bottom it will show you the payment method, like it has selected credit card for me, but let's say you want to change the payment method, so you need to tap on this option, and from here you can select your preferable payment method. Like let's say I want to select bank transfer. So after selecting the payment method, your provider will be changed. So the provider will depend from country to country. So you just have to make sure that you select the suitable method. Most of the time, the payment method that is selected by Trust Wallet is good. So you can simply go with that, like I'm doing in this video. So you need to tap on the buy option, and it will redirect you on the provider's website. So since I have selected Ramp Network, so it has redirected me on the Ramp Network's website. Now over here, it may ask you to enter the amount again. So you need to just re-enter the amount, and then you need to just press continue in the bottom. On the next page, before actually concluding the transaction over here, you need to first create your account. So you need to provide your email address in this section. On the next page, it may also ask you to provide the phone number. So you just have to provide some of these details and create your account on the provider's website. After that, you need to select your preferable payment method again and conclude your payment. Now once your payment is completed, you will be able to get your Bitcoin in your Trust Wallet in no time. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.